Welcome, automotive enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Mercedes-Benz engineering to explore the top 5 most reliable engines that have left an indelible mark on the automotive world. From petrol to diesel, V6 to V8, Mercedes has consistently pushed the boundaries of performance and reliability. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. M276 Best Mercedes Petrol Engine. Our journey begins with the crown jewel of Mercedes petrol engines, the M276. Launched in 2010, the 3.0L or 3.5L V6 engines replaced the earlier M272, setting new standards for performance, efficiency, and refinement. The M276's direct injection system, twin turbocharging, and a lightweight aluminum engine block contribute to its stellar reputation. Powering models from the S-Class to the SLK, the M276, especially the 3.0 LV6BI turbo variant, the M276 DLA30, delivers a thrilling 362 horsepower. Number 2. OM606 Best Mercedes Diesel Engine. Transitioning to diesel, we encounter the legendary OM606, a testament to longevity and reliability. Introduced in the mid-1990s, this 3.0L inline-6 diesel engine has outlasted its fair share of vehicles. The OM606's cast-iron block and Bosch mechanical fuel injection system contribute to its robust construction and easier maintenance, making it a favorite among DIY mechanics. While not breaking speed records, the OM606 delivers decent power, and its reputation for running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles makes it a diesel powerhouse. Number 3. M156 Best Mercedes V8 Engine. If you crave raw power and spine-tingling acoustics, the M156 is the epitome of Mercedes V8 excellence. Introduced in 2006, this naturally aspirated 6.2 LV8 is the first entirely developed by Mercedes-AMG. Defying the industry shift towards smaller, turbocharged engines, the M156 is a tribute to the raw power of a big, naturally aspirated V8. Delivering a breathtaking 510 horsepower in the C63 AMG Black Series, the M156 is not just about power. It's about the unmistakable roar that sends shivers down any car enthusiast's spine. The M156's influence extends to the M159 engine, further enhancing its already impressive performance. Number 4. M113 Most Reliable Mercedes Engine. Moving on to the M113, we encounter one of Mercedes' best and most reliable engines ever produced. Since its introduction in 1998, the naturally aspirated V8 engine has been a stalwart in various Mercedes models, including the E430, S500, and CLS55 AMG. Available in multiple displacements, the 5.0 version, showcased in models like the E500 and S500, is particularly esteemed. The M113's durability is a result of meticulous engineering, boasting a twin-spark design and a 3-valve per-cylinder configuration. This unique setup enhances the engine's breathing efficiency and fuel economy. Constructed with a cast aluminum engine block and cylinder heads, the M113 proves its mettle by easily surpassing hundreds of thousands of miles with regular maintenance. Number 5. M112 Best Mercedes V6 Engine. Finally, we explore the M112, the best of Mercedes V6 engines. Serving as the foundation for the M113 engines, the M112 V6 engines, with displacements ranging from 2.6L to 3.7L, have etched their mark in Mercedes-Benz history. Celebrated for their innovative 3-valve per-cylinder design and twin-spark ignition, the M112 engines epitomize performance and efficiency. Among its impressive variants is the M112A37, a 3.7L powerhouse offering a compelling blend of robust performance and fuel efficiency. Power outputs spanning from 168 to 255 horsepower showcase the M112's versatility. Found in models like the C-Class, E-Class, SLK, and CLK, the M112 proves to be a dependable workhorse, seamlessly delivering power whether propelling a luxury sedan or a sporty roadster. And there you have it. From the petrol prowess of the M276 to the versatile performance of the M112, each engine tells a unique story of innovation, durability, and automotive excellence. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more automotive adventures.
Have you ever wondered which Jaguars stand out as the most reliable? Well, wonder no more. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Jaguar automobiles to uncover the top 10 most reliable models. From sleek sedans to powerful SUVs, Jaguar has a rich history of crafting luxury vehicles that blend style and performance. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. 2017 Jaguar F-Type. Kicking off our list is the 2017 Jaguar F-Type, a true successor to the iconic E-Type. Boasting sleek lines and a powerful presence, the F-Type commands attention on the road. With options ranging from a spirited 2.0-liter inline 4 bi-turbo to a roaring 5.0-liter V8, this beauty offers performance in abundance. And let's not forget the limited edition Project 7, a rare gem coveted by enthusiasts worldwide. With accolades from J.D. Power and Edmunds, the 2017 F-Type proves reliability can coexist with exhilaration. Number 2. 2012-2014 Jaguar XK. Next up, we have the 2012-2014 Jaguar XK, a testament to Jaguar's commitment to excellence. With a lineage traced back to its Top Gear awarded predecessor, the XK blends performance and luxury effortlessly. Whether cruising down the highway or tackling winding roads, this GT marvels at every turn. And with stellar ratings from Edmunds, the XK proves its mettle as a reliable companion on any journey. Number 3. 2005 Jaguar X-Type. Moving along, we encounter the 2005 Jaguar X-Type, a trailblazer in Jaguar's lineup. Breaking barriers as Jaguar's first all-wheel drive production car, the X-Type set a new standard for elegance and performance. Its refined styling and spirited performance captivate drivers, earning acclaim from critics and consumers alike. With rave reviews from Cars.com, Edmunds, and RepairPal, the X-Type secures its place among Jaguar's most reliable offerings. Number 4. 2017 Jaguar XE. Venturing into the sedan segment, we explore the 2017 Jaguar XE, a paragon of sophistication and reliability. With a choice of potent engines and timeless design cues, the XE exudes confidence on every drive. Garnering praise for its reliability from J.D. Power, the XE proves that luxury need not compromise dependability. As it gracefully exits the U.S. market, the 2017 XE leaves behind a legacy of style and substance. Number 5. 2005 Jaguar S-Type. Now let's turn our attention to the 2005 Jaguar S-Type, a blend of elegance and performance. With refined engines and impeccable styling, the S-Type captivates discerning drivers seeking a luxurious ride. Boasting long-distance comfort and impressive reliability, the 2005 S-Type earns accolades from Edmunds, cementing its status as a timeless classic. Number 6. 2009 Jaguar XJ Portfolio. Stepping into the realm of luxury sedans, we encounter the 2009 Jaguar XJ Portfolio, a pinnacle of opulence and performance. With a supercharged V8 engine and sporty suspension, the XJ Portfolio delivers exhilarating performance with every press of the pedal. Praised for its reliability by U.S. News and Edmunds, the XJ Portfolio redefines luxury motoring with unmatched refinement. Number 7. 2013-2015 Jaguar XFR XFRS. Embracing the thrill of high-performance driving, we unveil the 2013-2015 Jaguar XFR XFRS. With a potent supercharged V8 engine and aggressive styling, the XFRS commands respect on the road. Despite initial reliability concerns, later model years receive praise for their dependability, making them sought-after gems for enthusiasts craving power and poise. Number 8. 2019 Jaguar F-Pace. Turning our gaze to the realm of SUVs, we encounter the 2019 Jaguar F-Pace, a fusion of practicality and performance. With a range of powertrains and advanced safety features, the F-Pace redefines the luxury SUV segment. Garnering high reliability ratings from US News and J.D. Power, the 2019 F-Pace offers peace of mind without compromising on style or capability. Number 9. 1994-1997 Jaguar XJ6. Delving into Jaguar's illustrious history, we revisit the 1994-1997 Jaguar XJ6, a symbol of timeless elegance and refinement. With a range of engines and luxurious appointments, the XJ6 epitomizes Jaguar's commitment to luxury motoring. Praised for its reliability and performance, the XJ6 remains a coveted classic among enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 10. 2017 present Jaguar E-Pace. Concluding our journey, we encounter the 2017 present Jaguar E-Pace, a testament to Jaguar's evolution in the modern era. Built on a platform shared with Land Rover, the E-Pace offers versatility and performance in a compact package. Despite minor reliability issues, the E-Pace showcases Jaguar's commitment to innovation and excellence in every mile traveled. And there you have it, the top 10 most reliable Jaguars of all time. From sleek sports cars to versatile SUVs, Jaguar has a rich history of crafting vehicles that combine performance, luxury, and dependability. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.